gross motor skills, to enhance eye-hand coordination, to build confidence, and to make your child engaged in a productive activity, you need a beautiful canvas file, you need some glitter, sketch pens, and your DIY activity is ready. To familiarize the child with alphabets, I tried 2 DIYs. This is the first DIY. Write down D, the alphabet D, and then you can make a donut or any other word your child is familiar with which starts with the letter D. Phonic sound of D is D. Rather, ask your child to write down the alphabet, or you can help your child to do that, and thereafter you can spread some glue over the object that you have made, and then you can ask your child to spread some glitter on it. Let your child do on his or her own to gain that confidence. Extra glitter and your DIY is ready.
Now what is this? What is DIY?
You can then keep your file out in the sun so that the glitter and the glue gets intact and stuck together. For this activity, you require some post-its, or you can even cut out square-shaped colored paper and just hide it over the alphabet you are trying to familiarize your child with. Follow the same procedure, use glue and glitter, and give access to your child, but do assist your child. This time, the only difference is that you're going to hide the alphabet with the post-its.